Wealth potential analysis. Now we know that HLV or human life value revolves around the breadwinner of the family. We tell a customer that, sir, if you are not there, what will happen to your family? The quality of life of your dependents is going to suffer. But can we say the same thing to a celebrity? Imagine you go to a superstar and you tell him that, sir, if you're not going to be there in this world tomorrow, your family is going to suffer, their life quality is going to, not be the same. He'll not buy that story because definitely he has generated enough wealth for his generations to come. Now here, there is another approach that we have to go by. This is when wealth potential analysis works. So basically, wealth potential analysis can be used to sell insurance to celebrities or high income groups like HNI clients. Speaking of wealth potential analysis, tap on the icon, mention the name of the client, say Mr. Ajay Gupta, his age or date of birth. I will put his age as 38 years, retirement age 58 years, annual income 25 lakhs since he belongs to the high income group, annual tax on income 7 lakhs, expenses on self 3 lakhs, expected annual growth in income 10%. Now what do we mean by expected annual growth in income? Now Mr. Ajay Gupta is not going to be earning the same amount of income every year. There will definitely be a growth in his income over the number of years. So we can add that percentage over here. Inflation rate 6%, saving interest rate 8%, existing life cover. Now he may have insurance already, so we put that amount here, say 50 lakhs. Tap on calculate. Wealth potential analysis result for Mr. Ajay Gupta, whose present age is 38 years, retirement age is 58 years, present income 25 lakhs, income growth 10% per annum, tax on income that he pays is 7 lakh rupees per annum, inflation rate 6%, expenses on self 3 lakh rupees, saving interest rate 8%. Now these are the parameters which we had given. Considering your present income, age and the number of years to go before you retire, there is a potential that you will generate a wealth of 9 crore 20 lakhs 59,000 for your family in the next 20 years. In the event of your death, your family may get deprived of this wealth. Hence, an insurance of rupees 3 crores 80 lakhs 42,000 is needed to ensure that your above wealth is protected. Since you already have a cover of 50 lakhs, you must now bridge the gap by taking additional insurance of rupees 3 crores 30 lakhs 42,000.